In today's video, we will review one of the cheapest microphones available at Amazon. Stick around till the end to get a full detailed review of this microphone. Without further ado, let's get started. I bought this microphone a few years back from AliExpress just for ₹60 to make my YouTube videos sound better. Since we are now reducing the use of Chinese products, I recommend that you buy your things from Amazon. This mic doesn't come from a branded company, so let me call the company as X. X microphone is a cheap Omni-Directional lavalier, ideal for home use and super low budget production. The first thing you need to know about this mic is that unlike most of the low priced crap out there, you get more than what you actually paid for. There are good and bad things about this mic, but I will start with the good. Before that, if you want to see more reviews like these, then subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest videos. X mic has a more or less neutral response, which means it will make your voice sound natural. The mic has very crisp response and sounds a bit bright, and it's great. The highs and lows of this mic is pretty good, so you will not sound like a robot while using it. Apart from that, you will hear a constant static noise, which is nothing but the background noise which it captures. It is not that loud, so don't go imagining a mosquito in your ear. It can easily be removed by software like Audacity or Premiere Pro. Finally, the mic sound is overall smooth. By smooth, I mean not harsh, so you won't be killing your listeners unless you are screaming at it. I am now going to unveil the nasty things about this mic. The mic produces very low output and needs a lot of gain. However, with the increase in gain, the static noise in your audio tends to increase and they become more and more noticeable. This mic is not the worst one out there, and X mic is great for new YouTubers. Maono and Boya microphone is more expensive, but you won't get any problems which I mentioned earlier. You can buy those microphones if you really care about little static noise spoiling your videos. Having said that, there are also plenty of funky ups and downs and harshness, which I don't understand. It works the best when you clip it on your collar just as it was designed to. For any other use, I don't recommend it. It is just not flexible as some other lavs out there, and it won't produce any decent result otherwise. Finally, it lacks the detail and definition of more expensive mics like the Zoom H1 and the Rode microphones. The build is about decent quality. It is not bad as it sounds, and it has lasted about 2 years now, so I think the build is pretty solid. The cable is approximately a meter long and is nice and soft. You will have to keep it safe from sharp objects if you don't want to spoil your mic. The mic is very easy to set up and secure in place using the included metal clip. It also comes with a pop filter, which I lost a few months ago. The clip is stiff and rugged and holds in place rather well. However, the foam may get lost over time, so don't lose it or get yourself some extra foams. With or without pop filter, this mic does a mediocre job. Here are 3 audio samples from 3 different devices: my Note 7 Pro, Samsung earphones, and this microphone, and you decide which one is the best. My name is Hari, this is an audio test. My name is Hari, this is an audio test. My name is Hari, this is an audio test. The first audio is from my Redmi Note 7 Pro. The second one is through Samsung earphones, and the last one is through the microphone. Which one do you think did a better job? Let me know in the comment section down below. To sum it all up, the microphone is really cheap. It is actually decent if you use it as shown in the video. Casual YouTubers and small podcast channel may find the mic affordable as it is priced at around 300 rupees at Amazon. Even channels with higher number of subscriber base won't face any issues using this mic. Links to some of the best mic will be given in the description box. We have now reached the end of today's video. Drop a like and check out other videos if you want to. A sub to this channel will really be appreciated. Until next time, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.